Today, we're going to make a cocktail so delicious, you won't be able to put it down. Stay tuned.
That's my boy!
Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today, we are going to make a Very Cherry Vodka Soda. This is a very simple to make cocktail. It's very delicious. And if there is a single problem with this cocktail, it's that you won't be able to put it down. 3 simple ingredients. We're going to start with vodka. I'm going to use about 4 ounces of vodka. This is a 12-ounce highball glass. I'm going to fill it about a third of the way full of vodka. By all means, if you're more comfortable measuring it out, do so. To that vodka, I am going to add 1 pack of this Jelly Belly Very Cherry. These are those little packets that they look like that. You normally put these in a bottle of water. Dump that right in there. And then I'm going to use a straw just to stir it up. I won't need a straw for drinking. I'm just going to stir it up with it. All right. This Jelly Belly mix seems to mix very easily. To that, we're going to top it off with club soda. You don't want to stir it too much after you add the club soda because you will destroy the fizz. And that's part of the appeal. Ooh. Left just enough room to put a couple ice cubes in there. I promise you, you won't need a lot of ice because it won't stay around very long. The ratio to this is about 2 to 1. So you'll add 4 ounces of Grey Goose vodka, 4 ounces of club soda. By all means, use whatever vodka you want. But that's it. Only thing left is to enjoy it. Very Cherry Vodka Soda. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Oh, that's good. That is very good. Thank you, and you have a great day.
I'll have another one.
You've had enough.